Hello everyone, welcome to Ashramik Vidyalay. Myself Firdaus Sheikh. Students, in this video we are going to learn about the revision on the base of our blueprint. In your blueprint, you see here four main questions A, B, C and D. And in the every section you see the questions. First, section A. Here you see the three main questions in section A. First is tick right the correct option. Second is draw the picture. And third is tick right on correct picture. So these three are the main question of section A. In the section B, you see the three questions. Draw the picture. Second is follow the instruction. And third is practice time. In the section C, you see the three main questions. Answer the following questions. Solve the puzzles and word problems. In the section D, you see the again three main questions. Complete the poem, find out and fill the table, and draw lines to match. So this is your blueprint, and in the exam, the questions come related to this blueprint. So learn properly from the workbook and the notebook. We are going to start the section A in this video. So one by one, we will learn these three questions. First is tick right the correct option. So which question has come in the tick right the correct option? Let's start. First is how many faces in all does a brick have? Options are 6 faces and option B is 8 faces. So students, the correct answer is 6 faces. So how many faces all does a brick have? So 6 faces. Second question is any face a square? Is any face a square? Here are two options. First is yes, B option is no. So is any face a square? क्या जो कोई ब्रिक है उसका फेस स्क्वायर होता है? So right answer is no. Next is number third. Number third is can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? Options are yes and second option is no. Can you make a drawing of a brick which show 4 of its faces? तो क्या आप ऐसी कोई ड्राइंग ड्रॉ कर सकते हो ब्रिक की जिसमें 4 फेस उसके दिखाई देते हो? सो ऑप्शन इज राइट आंसर इज नो. वी कैन नॉट ड्रॉ द face of a brick which show 4 of its face. So option is no. Next here you see the question. Can you guess how high is the chimney? Next question है can you guess how high the chimney? So which is the correct answer? About 5 meters, about 15 meters or about 50 meters? So students, right answer is 50 meters. Okay, next here is the one more question. What we call 100,000, 10 lakh, 1 lakh or 10,000? So correct answer is 1 lakh. 100,000 is also called 1 lakh. Okay, so these are the option. Tick right the correct option. Next is also come tick right the correct option from your extra work. First question is, one bus can carry 52 children. How many children can 4 buses carry about? So here is the A, B, C and D 4 option available. कहना ये है कि 1 बस 52 चिल्ड्रन कैरी करती है. सो हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन कैन 4 बसेस कैरी? तो 4 बस में कितने बच्चे बैठ सकते हैं, 4 बस कितने बच्चे कैरी कर सकती है. सो व्हाट वी डूइंग, फाइंडिंग द क्वेश्चंस आंसर. सो 52 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. सो 52 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 करना है हमें. So when we do the 52 multiply by 4, we get the answer 208, right? So answer is 208 children can sit in the 4 buses. So answer is 208. Next is, there are 4 very old cave painting. Mark the oldest. सबसे ज़्यादा ओल्ड पेंटिंग, क्यू पेंटिंग कौन सी है उस पर हमें मार्क राइट करना है. हियर इज़ दी 1000, हियर इज़ दी 10,000, हियर इज़ दी 1999 एंड हियर इज़ 100. सो स्टूडेंट्स, राइट आंसर इज 10,000. द ओल्डेस्ट इज 10,000. नेक्स्ट, ईच बस टेक्स अबाउट 50 minutes टू refill and there are 2 buses to be refilled. So each children stop on petrol pump for about. So here is the question. Each bus take 15 minutes. Each bus take 15 minutes to refill, right? And there are 2 buses. There are 2 buses to refill. So 15 multiply by 2. 15 minutes multiply by 2 buses. So is equal to 30 minutes. Answer is 30 minutes. Okay, so right answer is 30 minutes. Next is, each mini bus can take 35 students. एक मिनी बस में कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठ सकते हैं? 35. सो हाउ मेनी मिनी बसेस आर नीडेड फॉर 210 चिल्ड्रन? तो 210 चिल्ड्रन के लिए कितनी बस की ज़रूरत है? एक बस में 35 चिल्ड्रन बैठते हैं. ईच बस टेक 35 चिल्ड्रन. सो हाउ मेनी मिनी बसेस आर नीडेड फॉर कैरी 210 चिल्ड्रन? सो वी डू 210 डिवाइडेड बाय 35. 210 divided by 35. So we get the answer 6. 6 mini buses are needed for 210 children. Okay, so here our this first question complete. Next one more question is here. Which pair of number add to make more than 300? Which pair of number add to make more than 300? इनमें से कौन सी पेयर है जिनको एक दूसरे में ऐड करेंगे तो उसका एडिशन 300 से ज़्यादा होगा? सो लुक एट हियर. हियर इज़ अ 299. हियर इज़ द 99 and 99. Here is 199. Here is a 299 and 100. So students, we clearly said here answer. When we add 299 into 100, so we get the answer 399, right? So our correct answer is D. Okay. So this is our first question. Take write the correct option. Finished here. Next is, next question is from the blueprint. Draw the picture. Okay, this is your second question. Draw the picture. So which picture we draw here? यहाँ पे हमें कौन से picture draw करने हैं? So first is, first draw the smallest face of the brick. This is the first question. Draw the smallest face of the brick. तो brick का सबसे smallest face draw करना है. So this is like, this is the simple face of a brick. It is the rectangle shape, and this is the smallest face of a brick. So question is, draw the smallest face of a brick. So this is the answer. This is the smallest face of a brick. Okay, is that clear? This is the first question. Second is second question is, draw the three faces of a brick. Draw the three faces of a brick. This is the second question. Now draw the three faces of a brick. So let's start to draw the three faces of a brick. Okay, so here our picture complete. This is the face number first. Here we see the face number 2, and here is the face 3. So this is the first face, second face, and third face. Question is, draw the three faces of a brick. So look at here. Here we clearly see three faces, first, second, and third. So this is the answer. ये क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा गया है कि ड्रॉ द थ्री फेसेस ऑफ ब्रिक. ब्रिक के थ्री फेसेस ड्रॉ करने हैं, तो हमें ये पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन अगर आपको एग्जाम में आता है कि ड्रॉ द थ्री फेसेस ऑफ अ ब्रिक, तो आपको ये वाला पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, फेस 1, फेस 2, फेस 3. सो हियर योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट. नाउ टाइम फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 of section A. Question number 3 is, tick right on correct picture. Tick right on correct picture. This is your third question. So first is, tick right the correct picture for number 1 is here. Which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark right. Which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark right. ओके, तो इनमें से कौन सा ब्रिक का फेसेस है, उस पर आपको मार्क राइट करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट इज, I drew here first picture. Second picture. Third one. Fourth one. Now here I draw the fourth picture of a brick. Now tell me, which is the picture of a brick? Which of these are the faces of a brick? So first is, this one is the right answer, and second is this one. So these two are the correct faces of a brick. Okay, so these two are the correct faces of a brick. These two are the not the faces of a brick. So correct answer is this and this. So this is the first question. Next in this question is number 2. Number 2 option is which of these is a drawing of a ब्रिक। इनमें से कौन सा ब्रिक का ड्राइंग है? अगर ब्रिक का ड्राइंग हमें ड्रॉ करना है तो इनमें से कौन सा ब्रिक का ड्राइंग है? ओके, आई ड्रॉ हियर फर्स्ट पिक्चर, then I draw here the second picture. Now third one, then after I draw here number 4. So I draw here the 4th picture. नाउ टेल मी विच ऑफ दिस इज़ अ ड्राइंग ऑफ अ ब्रिक। इनमें से ब्रिक का ड्राइंग कौन सा लगता है हमें ये 4 पिक्चर के अंदर? सो फर्स्ट इज दिस वन इज़ द करेक्ट पिक्चर ऑफ अ ब्रिक बिकॉज वी सी हियर 3 फेसेस ऑफ अ ब्रिक एंड हियर also this one is the correct picture, correct the drawing of a brick, but these two are the not the drawing of a brick because brick is not look like this and also brick is not look like this. Okay, so these two are the not drawing of a brick, but these two are the correct drawing of a brick. Okay, so is that clear? This is our first section A, and here these questions are come in the examination, so learn properly from the notebook and workbook. Look at here your questions are available. Which of these are the faces of a brick? So look at this question, and which of these is a drawing of a brick? So also the pictures are available here. So this is your question number 3. So students, here our this video of the revision section A finished. Now we will do the next revision of section B in our next video. So have a nice day. Bye bye, take care, thank you.